Powere Core Training Bag for extensive workout. Top reviews from the United States. Great starter bag. If you are looking for something that you're just going to beat the crap out of, this is not it. This is a great bag for jabs and more lightweight training. It was super easy to assemble, the instructions are very simple. After reading the reviews, I decided I was not filling with sand or water, instead we used some actual sandbags and a few old, broken pavers. This was enough to give it plenty of weight and stability. In addition to this, we also bought two types of gloves, one set is a lightweight training glove where your fingers are exposed, the other set is the heavier boxing glove. Both work perfectly. The one thing to know, is that as you are using it the bag will slowly unscrew itself from the base, so it is just good standard practice each time you go to train to retighten the screw in base of the punching bag.